Hello, welcome to the Consumer Choice. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best 3D printers of 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a pro, there's something here for everyone. These picks are packed with innovation, precision, and serious print power. So stick around and find the perfect printer for your needs. And hey, all the links are in the description below, so you can check out the latest prices and details anytime. Let's get started. Number 5. Soval T500. Introducing the Soval T500, a 3D printer that's redefining the landscape of home and professional printing. If you're looking for a machine that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, then look no further. The T500 is designed with precision and versatility in mind, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. What sets the Soval T500 apart is its impressive build quality and robust construction, ensuring that your printing experience is not only smooth, but also reliable. With a generous build volume, this printer allows you to tackle larger projects with ease, whether you're printing intricate designs or functional prototypes. But it doesn't stop there. The Soval T500 boasts an advanced auto-leveling system that takes the guesswork out of setup, letting you focus on your creativity. Pair that with a user-friendly touchscreen interface, and you have a machine that feels intuitive and accessible, making it easy to bring your ideas to life. Another standout feature is its compatibility with a wide range of materials. From PLA to ABS and even flexible filaments, the T500 allows you to experiment and innovate without being limited by your choice of materials. Plus, with improved heating elements and a high-precision extruder, you can expect consistent, high-quality prints every time. In a world where 3D printing is becoming increasingly popular, the Soval T500 stands out as a reliable companion for makers, designers, and hobbyists. Number 4. Creality K1 Max. Introducing the Creality K1 Max, a game-changer in the world of 3D printing that's bound to turn heads and ignite your creativity. This powerhouse of a printer takes the art of 3D creation to unprecedented heights, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features that cater to both seasoned pros and enthusiastic beginners alike. Imagine effortlessly bringing your wildest design ideas to life with stunning detail and precision. The K1 Max boasts a generous build volume, enabling you to tackle larger projects without compromising on quality. Whether you're crafting intricate models, functional prototypes, or artistic sculptures, this printer delivers exceptional results that will leave you in awe. But it's not just about size. The K1 Max is equipped with advanced features that set it apart from the competition. With its high-speed printing capabilities, you can watch your creations materialize before your eyes, saving you valuable time without sacrificing accuracy. Plus, the intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigation a breeze, allowing you to focus on what really matters: your creativity. And let's not forget about reliability. The K1 Max is engineered with robust construction and innovative technology, ensuring that your printing experience is smooth and hassle-free. Say goodbye to frustrating failures and hello to consistent, high-quality prints that you can be proud of. In a world where innovation reigns supreme, the Creality K1 Max stands tall as a beacon of inspiration for makers, artists, and innovators. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. Introducing the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo, a 3D printer that is set to revolutionize your creative projects. Imagine having a powerful tool at your fingertips that turns your wildest ideas into tangible reality. The Cobra S1 Combo is not just another printer. It's your new creative partner, designed for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, the Cobra S1 Combo invites you into the world of 3D printing with open arms. Say goodbye to complicated setups and endless troubleshooting. This printer streamlines the entire process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, bringing your imagination to life. Equipped with advanced features, such as a high-precision extruder and an impressive build volume, the Cobra S1 Combo ensures that every detail of your design is captured flawlessly. Whether you're crafting intricate models, prototypes, or personalized gifts, this printer delivers exceptional quality and precision with every layer it prints. But that's not all. The Cobra S1 Combo also boasts a vibrant touchscreen display, making navigation a breeze and a quick assembly process that gets you started in no time. Plus, its robust construction ensures durability, so you can print confidently, knowing your creativity won't be limited by equipment. Join the 3D printing revolution with the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo, where your ideas take flight and innovation knows no bounds. Number 2. Creality K2 Plus Combo. Introducing the Creality K2 Plus Combo, a game changer in the world of 3D printing that's sure to grab your attention. Imagine having the power to transform your creative ideas into reality with just a few clicks. This innovative printer is designed for both beginners and seasoned pros alike, making 3D printing accessible and exciting for everyone. The K2 Plus Combo boasts a sleek, modern design that not only looks great in any workspace, but also enhances your printing experience. With an impressive build volume, you can now create larger and more complex designs without the hassle of reassembly. Say goodbye to the limitations of smaller printers. What truly sets the K2 Plus Combo apart is its user-friendly interface and advanced features. Equipped with a high-definition touchscreen, navigating through settings and options is a breeze. Plus, its quick assembly means you can start printing in no time no more, waiting around for setup. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the K2 Plus ensures consistent quality and precision in every print. The dual-gear extruder and improved cooling system allow for flawless layer adhesion and vibrant color reproduction, making your creations come to life like never before. Whether you're printing prototypes, intricate models, or personal projects, the Creality K2 Plus Combo is ready to elevate your 3D printing game. Dive into the world of endless possibilities and unleash your creativity with a printer that's not just good, it's exceptional. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. Introducing the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo, a game changer in the world of compact technology. Picture this: a sleek and stylish design that not only fits effortlessly into your workspace, but also turns heads with its modern aesthetics. This mini marvel is not just about looks. It packs a punch with impressive features that cater to tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. Imagine a device that seamlessly combines functionality with user-friendliness. The A1 Mini Combo is designed for everyone, from budding creators to seasoned professionals. With its intuitive interface, you can dive right into your projects without the frustration of a steep learning curve. Whether you're printing intricate designs, crafting prototypes, or simply experimenting with your creativity, this device has got your back. But what truly sets the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo apart is its remarkable precision and speed. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, it delivers stunning results that will leave you in awe. The vibrant colors and sharp details of your prints will pop like never before, making every creation a masterpiece. Plus, with efficient performance and reduced noise levels, you can work in peace, allowing your imagination to run wild. And let's not forget about versatility. The A1 Mini Combo is not just limited to one task. It opens up a world of possibilities. Whether you're into 3D printing, laser engraving, or even vinyl cutting, this all-in-one solution makes it easy to experiment and explore various mediums.